Hi guys, I'm Steph. Thank you so much for checking out my channel today. I have not filmed in the longest time. I have a few videos I filmed like weeks ago that I haven't even had time to edit and upload, but those will be coming up for you this week. But today I am excited to be doing the second update. Today I am excited to be doing the third update in the Roulette pan collab that is going around here on YouTube. The update was supposed to be February 5th. It is obviously much later on February 5th, but I still plan on putting up my finale on March 5th along with everyone else. So if you're enjoying this project and you want to see how I do, then make sure you subscribe so you can catch that video on March 5th. To get into the products I have been working on, I'm honestly just going to start with the most exciting one, and I was trying to hit pan in my Becca highlighter. It's just a mini, the vanilla quartz, and I did it. Last time I wasn't even sure if you could see how big the dip was, but I am so excited to say I hit pan. I literally hit pan January 9th, like 4 days after the last update. I continue to use it a little bit since, but I have tried to give some love to my other highlighters, but I'm so excited that I actually was able to hit pan and do this one. So that means I actually get to roll in another product. Yay! But we'll get to that at the end. In the category the Becca highlighter was in, I pulled it for an item that highlights, illuminates, or brightens. This next product was for the category of product don't reach for enough, and this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. And my progress kind of slowed down from here to here. And my goal is to get it all the way to down here, so pretty much like at the line in the H in Smashbox, so not quite there yet. I don't really know what to say this. I've actually forgotten to use it the last few times I did makeup, including today and yesterday, so I definitely need to like put this out and bring it to the forefront of my mind to continue to use it, because I did have some good progress going, and then yeah, it kind of just stopped. So unfortunately I haven't really met my goal on that. I'm hoping, there's still hope that I could meet my goal by the finale. For a colorful eyeliner, I have the Almay Intense Eye Color in Raisin Quartz. Because it's like this, it's really hard to measure the progress, so my goal is just to finish it up, but it is still continuously going strong. This isn't a product I reach for a lot. I definitely reach for a lot more now that I am consciously trying to work on it, but I would say I use it maybe like 5 times a month, really not a lot. So if I could get myself to use this 10 more times before the finale, that would be amazing. For a product I would recommend to anyone, I picked the Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. I just think it looks great under the eye, all over the face, so I love that aspect of it. To show you my progress, honestly, I couldn't even mark a new line, so I'm still at this line, the same line I was at the second update. Even though I have been using it regularly, it's just really hard to see any sort of progress. And my goal was to get it all the way to here where it says Mattifying, and I just don't think that's possible, but I'm definitely going to continue to use it. Right now I am really only using it as like under eye setting powder and not really all over the face, just because I have a pressed powder I've been trying to work on, but I think I'm going to buckle down and try to use this a bit more on the face as well. This next product I'm surprised is so slow going. This is an old favorite, and that is the e.l.f. Brow Pencil. I absolutely love this product. I have my progress marked right here for you guys. I'm not going to roll it up just because last time I kind of like nudged it too hard and it like detached from the base, so I don't want to roll it up in fear of it dropping. But this is where I am now, so definitely a lot of progress from the second update. Initially my goal was just to like finish it, but I'm not sure that is actually going to be possible, and I'm surprised that it is taking me so long to get through this product. It is a bit of a thicker pencil, so if you aren't familiar with it, I'm not going to roll it up all the way, but it is a bit of a thicker pencil. So I really like it because my brows aren't sparse. It really just helps kind of fill everything in. And I love that it has a spoolie on the other side. And I really do enjoy this product, but yeah, I'm kind of surprised that I'm not moving through it as fast, which I don't mind. It's only like, I think $2 to $4. And I really enjoy that product. So I'm happy to be getting the use out of it. And the last category that I picked, all these products have been in since the very beginning of the project, is a collab product, and I picked the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop Dream Street palette, and I have been working on the shade, I believe it's called Elfish, which is this brown right here. It's like a very warm toned brown. I have such trouble showing the progress. Hopefully you guys can see like what a giant dip I have right here, like it's so deep. I'm like really surprised that I have not hit pan, and I really hope I can by the finale. It is like, it's a giant dip. So yeah, fingers crossed I can do it. Now to the most exciting part, picking a new product. So we have a spreadsheet with 50 categories on it. So I've gone to random.org and I've put in 1 to 50 and I'm going to generate the new number. This is easier. 34! Okay, let's see what 34 is. 34 is an interesting category. It is something underrated. So I'm going to take a little look through my collection. I will be back and show you what I have picked. This may be a bit of a stretch, but for something underrated, I picked a mini lipstick. I just think minis themselves are underrated in this day and age when a lot of people just have huge collections. I feel like, I don't know, minis kind of get overlooked, but it's like, it takes so long to get through a product that I have been loving minis more and more lately, and especially lip products. I feel like it takes so long to get through a full-size lip product that a mini is the perfect way to get a lot of use and enjoyment out of a product without having too much of it that is going to go to waste. And also, I believe this was something I got as a free gift with purchase, or I don't know, it's something I've had in my collection for a while. And I also think those things you get as a free gift with purchase are a lot of times underrated. People think it's just something they got for free, so they didn't spend their money on it, so they don't really look at it and focus on it, but it's still something that is part of your collection, and if you don't use it, it just becomes waste. So because it's a mini and something I got for free, I feel like those two things, categories, are usually very underrated in people's collections. And I actually really do enjoy this lipstick. It is the Makeup Forever, I'm not quite sure of the name, it's one of the Rouge Artist Natural lipsticks, and this is it. This is all I have. I really enjoy this color. I think it's beautiful for this time of year. There's just like a swatch of it, so I would love to finish it. I don't know if that's really possible given that I have like 3 weeks because this update is going up so late, but I would really love to at least kind of like even it out, because you see how like it's super slanted, so I would love to at least just kind of even it out so it's all at this level, like where the shortest part is, if you kind of get what I mean. So basically like cut the tip off. I don't really know where I'm going with this. Hopefully you understand what I mean with how much I want to use. So I would love to get as much use of this out as possible, but to at least get that much would be a really great accomplishment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye!